How soon can you start making money with the Amazon Influencer Program? Today we're going to talk about how long it'll take you in order to get your first check from Amazon. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, welcome. I've been a part of the Amazon Influencer Program for over 4 months now, and I'm going to share how long it took me to go ahead and get started earning from Amazon, and then we'll walk through the process for yourself as well. Before we get started, I want to mention we have a free Amazon support group. If you'd like to join that, I'll put the link in the description, and I'll also put a link to our free success guide so you know exactly how I got started, the steps I took to both get started with the program, grow my earnings, and what I'm doing now. So let's go ahead and talk about how long it takes to start earning. So with the Amazon Influencer Program, there are 2 different ways to start earning, one being offsite and one being on-site commissions. Offsite is all the traffic that you bring in yourself, and on-site is all about the traffic that Amazon brings to your content themselves. I made a video that goes into more detail about the differences in offsite and on-site commissions and how they work if you want to watch that before jumping back to this video. But if you get approved for the influencer program and you have a very engaged audience on your social media or whatever account you use to get approved for the program, you can start sending offsite traffic right away to your storefront and to your links. This means that the same day that you get approved to the program, you can post a link on your social media or post a link to your storefront, send people to it, and if they make a purchase, you will earn that same exact day. We'll cover how long it takes to get that check in just a moment, but I want to cover also the on-site commission structure. So once you get into the program, you're going to go through a process if you want to get approved for on-site commissions where Amazon will pretty much promote your content for you on Amazon. And sometimes that process can take a while. For me, it took 9 days from the point where I'm putting 3 videos on my storefront to getting approved for on-site commissions. And right now it's taking people anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks. They are a little behind from what I understand, but again, that's just at the time of me making this video. So if you're waiting on on-site commissions, it can take that long in order to start earning. But the good news is if you are approved to the program and you're waiting for on-site commissions, you can still use affiliate links to share with your social media following and earn off-site commissions while you're waiting for your on-site commissions approval. And just to give you a little idea, I got approved for on-site commissions in early July, and just from the 9th until the 31st of July, I earned $33 in on-site commissions. The next month in August, I earned over $200 in on-site commissions, and September, I earned over $500. I also made a video that breaks down how many videos I was making for on-site commissions and my earnings so far. You can watch up here if you'd like to get more information about my journey so far. But I hope this helps answer your question about how long it takes to earn commissions with the Amazon Influencer Program. And I'll just answer one more question before we end this video about when you actually get paid. So Amazon Influencer is on net 60, meaning what you earn in July, you will get paid for at the end of September. So 60 days after the month end. So what I earned in July, I got paid in my bank account on September 29th or 30th at the end of September. And whatever I earned in August, I got paid at the end of October for, and so on and so forth. So while you're earning those commissions, the soonest that you will get paid in your account is that net 60, or 60 days after the end of that month that you begin. I hope this helped answer the question about how long it takes to get paid with Amazon Influencer. If you have any other questions about the program, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to help with anything that I know, but just know that I do also have that support group where there's many more people, including myself and other influencers, that can help you answer questions. We even have people who are trying to get approved for on-site commissions. Hop in there, show us their videos, we look them over, tell them what we think, and many people are getting approved for the on-site commissions program, which is super exciting with our feedback and the feedback of other influencers in that group. So no matter what spot you're in your journey right now, it is tons of fun and tons of help. So I hope to see you on the inside there. Subscribe to my channel for more Amazon influencer information and tips, and I will see you in the next video.